Hey guys, today we're going to be making yogurt melts. So, who says yogurt melts are only for little kids? It says a crawler there. It's for people like older. I love them, my family loves them, everybody loves them. So let's get started. So what you will need is any type of yogurt you like. If your yogurt already has a color and you want it to have a different color, you can use any food coloring. So we're gonna pour our yogurt into this container. You could use like as mustard and all that stuff. So let's start pouring our yogurt. So you can use any plate. I'm gonna use this plate because it looks really pretty. So we're gonna get started, and just remember, have a good grip, just like this. Now you're going to put it in your freezer for an hour and 30 minutes. You see that now they're done? These look delicious. And I'm going to eat one. They're going to be super good. Ooh, I'm going to taste one. Super good. They literally like just melt in your mouth. It's really good. If you want to save them and you're not going to eat them all, then just get a Ziploc bag or any bag you have. Put them in there and then put them in the freezer. If no, they're gonna melt. So please give me a thumbs up to my video, subscribe, and watch this video over and over again. Thank you for watching. Bye!